Hi friends. I'm Arma Saeed and you're watching How to Physically Prepare for Ramadan on Kingdom Information YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for latest stories, updates and articles on daily basis. Ramadan is reaching to us, and it is important to prepare your body for it, so it has less impact on your daily routine and you can focus more on the spiritual side of the holy month and earn as many rewards from Allah as possible. So here are our tips. Number 1. Gradually decrease morning caffeine intake. Unless you want to feel extra exhausted and get headaches in its early days, it is important to gradually cut the consumption of the caffeine to get rid of the withdrawal effect and replace it with other decaffeinated drinks. So by the time you reach Ramadan you will not suffer from the tiredness and headaches. Number 2. Stop junk food and eat healthier. With less time to eat in Ramadan, we really need to pay attention to what we eat. Now is the best time to research the nutritious value of the food we eat. While we fast, the food we eat before we start our fast or to break our fast needs to provide the optimal energy so we can accomplish our daily tasks and increase our worship. Number 3. Engage in light exercise. Try to include 5 to 10 minutes of light exercise daily, something to energize your body, but not necessarily something rigorous. This will help prepare your body for the tasks of the day and give you a bit more energy during the days of Ramadan. If you have kids, try to encourage them to participate with you. Your light exercise can even come from playing a game of tag or chase with them and doesn't need to be a chore or added work. Number 4. Eat early, skip late breakfast. Your body is used to eat breakfast every day in the morning, so it is important to gradually decrease the portion, or eat it as early as possible so it matches with suhoor, so that you minimize the hunger feeling you get in Ramadan. Number 5. Voluntarily fast on Mondays and Thursdays. Not only it will help your body to prepare for Ramadan, but Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The deeds of people are presented to Allah on every Monday and Thursday. Allah forgives every Muslim except for those who are deserting each other." Number 6. Check with your doctor. Finally, if you have concerns over your ability to fast for whatever reason, like diabetes, high blood pressure or any concerns, now is the time to schedule an appointment with your doctor. I hope you enjoyed the video of how to physically prepare for Ramadan. In upcoming video you will get to know 9 tips to get the most of your Ramadan. Thanks a lot for watching the Kingdom Information YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for useful videos on daily basis.